bamboo. So, imuhaon na kaon nay imuhani and ako ana imuhaon nay. Ikaw sukat sabi.
Yes.
First time na to video with here.
No?
First time na to bring tour para kato. The bamboo is there. Do not follow this guys cut of trees because this is making the nature have no more trees. Like this. The trees make the flood never go here. And that you cut that they are dead and the flood soyop sa ground but basa ang ground and malapok.
So what happened?
And matay man na plants because too much water.
That's right. So again, never cut trees.
Never cut trees. Like
Nice.
this. They cutting trees.
That's true.
Oh, Daddy, talang bamboo. Guys, that is bangkal.
Bangkal tree.
Guys, this is called bangkal tree. Get this fruit bangkal. Bangkal fruit. Copy ni siya bread na bingang hulka. Tanaw na tong sulod, okay? Guys, I'm gonna show you the sulod bangkal nga fruit. We are at Philippines.
This is a Philippine native tree.
This is the Philippine native tree.
Dili pa siya man hinog pero try.
Oh, this is the bangkal fruit. It's still hinog.
Hilaw.
Hello. Birds eat this and they poop at the ground to plant some more bangkal tree.
You smell, Zach. Nice kini siya smell.
Nice smell. That you are at Philippines, that you see a bangkal is growing. Na get it? Wala pa siya hinog and just smell it for how much siya. Cut nilang another bangkal tree. Uy, naapod other bangkals.
Yeah, daghan magbangkal diri. Nara man na oh. To daghan kay bunga oh. Bangkal oh. Look at that.
Ready na na sila kaon?
Oh, maybe.
Guys, I'm gonna take the skin off from the bangkal fruit
Yan naman.
for see the inside.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put it at the ground for birds eat that or chicken can be planted.
Para mag-grow siya sa wild.
Guys, you can find me at American and Philippine.
Ang kanang bangkal nasa Amerika?
Nope.
Ah.
You can find me at my channel at Philippine and next
Imong channel. Unsa? Unsa imong channel?
Zach with friends
Okay.
name. And you can find me at America and Philippines.
Tiyawag ko ni mo international de kadong. Ano kay imong bangkal?
Do you know Daddy, ayun na. We are going to cut bamboo. Need good saw.
Here's this. Tara akong saw blade. Convertible man na siya, biha ko tang i-open. Or no.
Thorn.
Hmm.
Zorn.
Part.
Why man?
Para strong imong bamboo nga makuha. And then dili siya makrack og dali. Gahi good. Very hard. Nice. Putol na.
Scissor.
Scissor or saw?
Scissor.
Dara. If hard kayo kay gamiti og saw, kanang bigger nga saw. Very good. G. Ito maputol. Nice ka.
Ang ari pala. Connected siya sa ground. Oh! Kita ka na. Connected siya sa ground. Bahi siya matang. Guys, I am gonna put on this because he is making another bamboo tree. And gahi siya matang.
Ang tip sa bamboo, nag-grow siya of another bamboo. Kapit na.
Nakaputol. Grabe nga patience. Okay, I already cut the bamboo. I'm gonna make this a flute.
Unsa pa imong plan nga bamboo?
And grass. Making a drinking bottle here. This is made of bamboo. This is making Daddy and Zach. Like this.
Cut na tog saw.
This is so nice, guys. This is a project.